Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel where innovation and imagination collide. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary that's going to skyrocket your creative projects to new heights. Brace yourselves because we are about to unveil the power of Clipchamp. But hold on to your seats because this isn't just about any ordinary tool. In this video, we are unraveling the 5 jaw-dropping benefits that make Clipchamp an absolute must-have in your creative tools. Benefit number 1. Web and app application. Benefit number 1. The ultimate flexibility. Clipchamp gives you the best of both worlds with its availability as a web-based platform and a user-friendly Microsoft app. Whether you're crafting your masterpiece at home or on the move, Clipchamp has got your back. Benefit number 2. User-friendly interface and low-end laptop compatibility. Benefit number 2 talks mostly about the art of simplicity. Clipchamp interface is a dream come true for creators of all levels. Plus, it's specifically designed to run smoothly even on those humble low-end laptops, proving that you don't need a high-tech setup to bring your vision to life. Benefit number 3. Free text-to-speech, screen and video recorder. Now let's talk about the magic of benefit number 3. Creativity on demand. Clipchamp equips you with free text-to-speech capabilities, a robust screen and video recorder, and that means you can add voiceovers, capture your screen, and record videos seamlessly, all within one dynamic platform. Benefit number 4. Free stock videos or images, templates, and music. Prepare to be amazed by benefit number 4. Your creative world with Clipchamp. You will have access to an extensive library of free stock videos, images, templates, and music. Say goodbye to endless searches. Your next masterpiece is just a click away. Benefit number 5. Free auto subtitles. And finally, the grand finale. Benefit number 5. Clipchamp takes the hassle out of adding subtitles with its free auto subtitles feature. Boost your content's accessibility and engagement by effortlessly integrating captions into your videos. There you have it, creators. The 5 game-changing benefits of Clipchamp that are poised to transform your creative journey. Whether you are a vlogger, a business pro, or an aspiring filmmaker, Clipchamp is your one-stop destination for all things creativity. So don't miss out. Check out the link in the description and start your journey with Clipchamp today. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that thumbs up, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you are always in the loop. Until next time, keep pushing those boundaries and keep creating. Bye for now. See you in next video.